Huawei has just dropped the first teaser for its upcoming Pura 80 series, and it's already getting people excited. While the company hasn't shown the full phone yet, the teaser gives us a good idea about what's coming, especially when it comes to the camera. In the teaser image, the focus is on the camera module, which looks bold and stylish. It seems like Huawei is putting a lot of attention on the camera for this phone. The Pura 80 series will officially launch on June 11 during a big event. This will be the second generation of the Pura lineup, and Huawei is hoping to bring major improvements, especially in photography. If you take a close look at the teaser, you'll notice two large camera sensors surrounded by a golden ring. These sensors are placed at the edge of a curved camera bump. Many people believe this design hints at a dual-periscope camera setup, something Huawei first introduced with its P40 Pro Plus model about 5 years ago. Back then, the P40 Pro Plus was the first phone in the world to offer two telephoto lenses. One lens gave 3x optical zoom, and the other used a periscope design to achieve a massive 10x optical zoom. This allowed users to zoom in on faraway objects while still keeping the image clear and sharp. Now it looks like Huawei is bringing this feature back with the Pura 80 series, especially for the high-end versions like the Pura 80 Pro Plus and Pura 80 Ultra. But that's not all. Huawei is also upgrading the main and ultra-wide cameras, aiming to offer an all-around powerful photography setup on these new phones. Leaks suggest that the Ultra model might feature a brand new LOFIC-based main sensor, along with the largest periscope lens Huawei has ever used, about 1.3 inches in size. Meanwhile, the Pro Plus model could switch to a fresh 50-megapixel SmartSense main sensor, replacing the Sony IMX989 sensor used in older devices. These upgrades show that Huawei wants to improve photo quality no matter the lighting conditions. As for the regular Pura 80, it might keep a similar camera setup as its predecessor. But don't count it out. Huawei is likely adding smarter AI-powered features to all models. This means users can expect better scene detection, faster image processing, and improved zoom functions. The camera design is one of the phone's standout features. Leaked live photos show a camera bump that curves toward one side of the phone, giving it a unique and elegant appearance. The dual sensors with golden rings not only look good, but also highlight how important the camera is. For Huawei this time around, AI technology will play a big role too. With smarter AI, users can expect clearer photos, better color balance, and improved results in low-light settings. Huawei's software will work hand-in-hand with the upgraded hardware to make it easier to capture stunning shots in any situation. Huawei seems determined to get back to the top of the smartphone photography world. The teaser has already created a lot of excitement, especially among fans of the P40 Pro Plus who loved its zoom abilities. To sum it up, the Huawei Pura 80 series is shaping up to be a strong contender in the world of flagship smartphones. With its dual-periscope camera system, improved main sensors, and eye-catching design, it promises a great experience for people who love taking photos with their phones. The Pro Plus and Ultra models will likely offer top-tier performance, while even the standard Pura 80 should impress with smart features and solid image quality. We'll get all the official details when Huawei reveals the Pura 80 series on June 11th. Until then, this teaser gives us a good reason to stay excited. If you enjoy mobile photography or simply want a phone with a stylish look and powerful cameras, the Pura 80 series might be just what you're looking for. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech updates. See you next time.